we are trying to create a space that people can experience that little silence, the little tranquil moment, and healing. Namaste. So Om has been an integral part of all our prayers, all our chanting, all our mantras. It is the first sound of the universe. So around 7-8 years ago, we'd gone to Berkeley. I was with my friend Ami. How beautiful it was that they had all these lovely yoga centers scattered across the city. Every day there used to be different yoga classes, different meditations, different kirtans happening. I felt like a center like this needs to come to Mumbai. We have all our ashrams, we have all these wellness centers in the mountains, in the south, everywhere in larger spaces, but a city, urban city, offering multiple things. I didn't see that then. When I did Vipassana, after my 10 days course, I felt like a new birth, kind of cleanliness inside out that I felt after that first course was so amazing, and I felt like my heart was exploding with love. And that's when I felt like I need to share that with people. And that is why I think Om is coming together. My looking out never stopped. After 42 places, the search was on. My Vastu consultant, Rajesh Pednikar, he told me about this place, and he said in terms of the energy, the Vastu, the location, and he said it's going to be perfect. It fell into place after 2 years of looking for spaces. As Om, we are trying to be that platform to bridge a gap between the seekers and the practitioners, the gurus, the teachers. Even in terms of well-being, Ayurveda is our ancient, healing modality. And we are very, very grateful and lucky that we are doing a collaboration with Vaidyagram, healing modalities that we offer across all pillars, which is our Gyan, Dhyan, Chikitsa, Divya, Prana, Ahara, and Yoga, of course. So Yoga is our main offering. We are trying to get really authentic, experienced masters to our space. But when you enter, it's a space which is not defined by its structure or the rooms or the space. It's more about what you bring in and what Om will take you on as the journey. So all of this, in a small way, in a beautiful way, we've created this space, and we're opening the doors soon for you all. Namaste. Welcome to Om Life Urban Ashram. So this is our main reception area where we welcome our guests. So these are our retail shelves in all different corners. There are special books by Prabhu Nitya Charan Das ji written. Here we have our food products from our very own Ahara kitchen. So this is our main yoga meditation hall. It's called the Moksha Room. As you can see, we have this very special Sri Yantra made of gold threads and clear quartz and pyrite crystals. We have these lovely ceilings. These were designed by Brio and arches, so they're giving a lot of fluidity. So we have Iyengar, Hatha, Vinyasa and Ashtanga Yoga happening here. This room is called Dhyana. Most of the practices that happen here takes you within. It is very, very meditative. Welcome to our Ayurveda section of our place. This room is called Tapas. It's a special bed made of neem wood. It was crafted in Coimbatore and come here. This is a special steam box. It's handcrafted in wood. We have windows on both sides. We can see the city, and while being there, we can take Ayurveda therapies here. So this room is called Sattva. It's for various practices like reflexology, Murma, Shiatsu, and other healing therapies. This room is Tattva. We have pranic healing sessions and crystal therapy that happens here. This room is Mantra. We have TCM practices that happen here, which is traditional Chinese medicine. We have special healing practices that happen here, which is Access Consciousness, Access Bars, Symphony of Possibilities, even pranic healing and shamanism. So this is our library and lounge space, where we have a good collection of variety of books by various authors. This is our cafe space. And here we have specially curated meals based on Sattvic Ayurveda food components. This is called Nada. It is the room for the sound healing and meditation. We have all these instruments which have been specially crafted from Swaram, which is based in Pondicherry. So this is our room, Adi. It's a consultation room with our wellness director, Suyash Singh. He has 30 years of yoga meditation practice. Ananta, where we have special Divya practices like tarot, angel card reading, Akashic card reading. Atha means now in Sanskrit. So once a guest comes in, they do Nari Pariksha and they diagnose the guests and the members, and then they embark them on their healing Ayurveda journey. This is our room, Dharma, and just as the name suggests, we have all the facilitators, practitioners, teachers, gurus of sorts who come here and meet us. This is called the Zen Garden, and you can actually come here and absolutely step away from all the people, all the noise, and be here in your Ekant Dhyan state.